Okay, let's see how we can fix the error of table already exists while trying to import a table in MySQL. I'm here in PHP This method will work for any MySQL client like Workbench, or if you're using any other client, it'll still work the same. All right, so first let me show you the error. Now, if I try to import something, right? Okay, let's import this backup, and I just click import. I get this error that says table chats already exists. Now, this error is pretty self-evident. What it means is this: I already have this table, okay, and that's why it's giving me that error, because it's trying to recreate this table, but it already exists. So what you can do is you can delete this table for which you are getting that error, or you can delete the line that creates that table. We will choose the latter because you might already have some data in this table. So go to your .sql backup file, right click on it, and just open it with Notepad. No need to open it in any IDE, and just remove this create table line. Okay, as you can see, there is a create table line in the backup. Just remove this whole thing, and you only need to have this insert lines, okay, and all the lines below it. Now, after create table, at the end there'll also be probably alter table command. So scroll down to the bottom, and here you might see, yeah, okay, as you can see, there is alter table commands. We don't need alter table commands too, because the table already exists. So you can remove all the indexes and alter table commands. These are just comments, so let's remove them too. And now we only have data that we need to import. Okay, now just close it, go back to your MySQL client. Let's try to import it again, and let's see if we get any error this time. So as you can see, we have successfully imported data. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.